Hey traders, welcome to Trade This Market video update for May 8th, 2024. You're looking at a daily and a 4-hour chart of ES contract, which is a proxy for S&P 500. So, interestingly now, we have been talking about this bounce, and we knew that bounce is going to come as soon as we saw that this daily is turning to the upside, and we knew that potentially we were going to go up to about 50 or 61.8% retracement. So now, interestingly, we have captured the 61.8%, and now for the fourth day in a row, we have started to close above the 50-period moving average. So for all technical purposes, this market looks like it wants to go up to about 78.6% retracement. Of course, there is no guarantee, but that's a level that we're looking at, 52.55. And then if we're able to close this, then the next logical target is 53.33, 33.50, which was the all-time high. So those are the targets we're looking at now. Interestingly, if you look at the 4-hour chart that's turned overnight last night, it turned to the downside, so it's turned slightly bearish. But as you can see, the price action really didn't move much. And so that indicates again that we are likely to go a little bit higher. And there is this potential right here. Line in the sand is 52.55. If we start to close, 2 or 3 candles here at 52.55, just above it, that means now we're, getting ready to go up to the next level, which is 53.34. And beyond that, there's a 127 extension and a 161.8 extension. So let me bring that up. And so let me show you what that would look like if this is a bullish case now. So if we're able to successfully close above 78.6, then the next logical target is 53.33, which is all-time high. And then I think the prices are likely to go up to 54.35 or 54.35, 30 or 40, somewhere in the zone. And then just above that is 55.63. So those are the targets that we're looking at to the upside if this market continues to go to the upside. Now, let's talk about this unfinished business right here. So in the opposite case, let's just say hypothetically that we go up to 78.6%, and then this market does the hard reverse. That means that we are now likely to go and visit this 38.6% retracement, which was from October low all the way to the most recent high. And that actually coincides with the 200-period moving average on a daily chart. So that is a likely scenario that could play out also. So that level is about 48.90, 48.80, somewhere in the zone that markets could likely to come back here before going to the upside. So in either case scenario, what we're looking for is for first thing tomorrow morning is that some sort of symmetry going to the upside. Maybe this 4-hour turns in the after-hour session here, or first thing in the morning, and then we're looking to get this market to push a little bit higher. And so that is the trading plan. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, first thing in the morning. The charts will tell us which way this market is likely to go. Now, let's talk about today's price action and see what happens. So if you notice right here, the 4-hour was going to the downside while the daily chart is firmly to the upside. So anytime when you have conditions like these, markets are likely to chop. It's not going to go anywhere. And we knew this early on as soon as the even market opened up, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock this morning, that this market is likely to go chop back and forth. And not a whole lot to expect in this market. And that's exactly what happened. And so if I bring up my 15-minute chart, you will see that what happened is that the first 15-minute bar was showing us that this market is likely to go to the upside. And sure enough, we did that. Our target was about 50-period moving average, maybe revisiting the overnight pivot right here, 52.13, and that's exactly what happened. So as we're pushing up, this would be your entry right here, 51.98, and then exit would have been 52.09, 52.10, somewhere in the zone, and that was it. That was the trade of the day. Now, for the remaining of the afternoon, you really don't want to take any chances on markets like this because the tape was really slow and it was not really going anywhere. And you could have taken a trade right here as soon as you close below the 50-period moving average. But the price action was really choppy and it wasn't really going anywhere. So you're better off not trading this market in the afternoon. And so, like I said, the first thing in the morning, what we're going to look for is some sort of sign symmetry to see what the charts are telling us. And then we will have our trading plan based on that information. So I hope you stay safe, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.